Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon cards step by step. First, shuffle your 60-card deck and draw 7 cards for your starting hand. Place 1 basic Pokémon face down as your active Pokémon and up to 5 more on your bench. Then, draw 6 prize cards and place them face down to the side. Finally, flip your active Pokémon face up and begin the game. During your turn, you always begin by drawing 1 card. Next, you can attach 1 energy card from your hand to one of your Pokémon. You may play any number of item cards, 1 supporter card, and 1 stadium card. Finally, your active Pokémon can attack if it has enough energy. Remember, you can only attack once per turn. Your deck consists of 3 main card types. Pokémon cards are your creatures that battle. Energy cards like fire or water are attached to Pokémon to power their attacks. Trainer cards, including item, supporter, and stadium cards, offer various effects to help your strategy. Understanding these types is crucial for building a strong deck and making effective plays. There are 3 primary ways to win a Pokémon TCG game. The most common is to take all 6 of your prize cards by knocking out your opponent's Pokémon. You also win if your opponent has no Pokémon left on their bench when their active Pokémon is knocked out. Lastly, if your opponent cannot draw a card at the start of their turn, you win.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.